Nĩ mũcemanio ũrĩa ũrehete hamwe atongoria, mũingĩ, rũhonge rwa ũgitĩri hamwe na ũtongoria wa kanitha wa Catholic mwena wa Chesongoch, kaunti ya Elgeyo Marakwet, makĩenjera anja yani amaratafanirie gĩko kĩa magigi gĩa kũraga mũbĩa wa kanitha ũyũ mwena wa Tot. Muthikabu wa gĩtaro kĩa Eldoret akĩũria thirikari tigĩrĩre kĩhoto nĩkĩoneka.
Sababu jana nilipata ujumbe kutoka mwakilishi wa Baba Mtakatifu akisema, what is happening? Is it your diocese where they have killed a priest? Because it has never happened. Is it your diocese? So one thing is, he told me kwamba, tell those people that Father Alois needs justice to be done. Justice, haki. Afanyiwe haki.
Bwana DIG, wewe ni mtu unaelewa mambo hayo. Wewe ni mtu umekaa hii area sana. Kidogo kiasi vile wewe unaelewa. Tafadhali peana amnesty. Peana amnesty kwa wakora hao, wase na viongozi waende wakae chini, waongeleshe ndio hii nchi iende vizuri.
Maugete nĩ gĩko kĩ magigi kuona mũtongoria wa kanitha no oragwo na njĩra ĩyo, makiuga nĩ ũndũ ũraiga mũingĩ ona ũgwati-inĩ makĩria, makiũria thirikari ĩtigĩrĩre mĩena ĩrĩa ĩno hagũkuo ũgitĩri nĩ wacokio.
We are saying it's not business as usual kwa sababu kama padri amekufa, ameuawa, so we have crossed the red line and nobody is safe here. Kwa hiyo watu wa Marakwet, watu wangu, kwa sababu mimi ni askofu wenu, viongozi wetu, sisi zote tutafute a long lasting solution.
Borithi maugite honge cia ũgitĩri nĩ ciambĩkĩte mĩhang'o ya gwethana na arĩa maragagia thayũ mwena ũcio, gũkũ makĩũria mũingĩ ũnyitanĩre na maabitha honge ciothe cia thirikari gũtigĩrĩra arĩa maratafanirie ngero ĩyo nĩ manyitwo.
Hebu angalia pale kuna county police commander Bwana Lucas, Peter Mulinge. Baada ya hii muagree how this thing is going to be actualized. Saizi mtaongea baada ya hii. Tunaelewana chairman? We've agreed you map out areas that you think it's posing some threat. Ndio huyo county commander wangu, and he's under full instructions to provide security for people that don't come to this place. Tumeelewana?
Ngĩribotera Inooro TV, njĩtagwo Jenga wa Wambui.